Yo, what is going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to spoof using FGL Pro, the best spoofer for Pokemon Go, and it's absolutely free to download, guys. And luckily for you guys, it's working on iOS, but not only on iOS, it's also going to work on Android users as well. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to download this spoofer for absolutely free, guys. You don't have to jailbreak your device at all, and it's really easy to go ahead and get. It's the best spoofer, and not only does it come with the spoofer, you're also going to be able to get unlimited Pokecoins, unlimited Pokeballs, and a bunch of other cool modded features. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you all exactly how it works, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to download it. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because every single step is important to ensure that you get the fully working version on your device. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, guys. FGL Pro++. So as you can see, we have it open. Now, if you guys take a look here at the left side, these are all the modded features for the spoofer. As you can see, we have the 1x1 that basically allows us to go ahead and change how fast we walk. We can also use the walking setting or the flying mode, fly mode GPS, which allows us to go ahead and spoof to anywhere in the world. But yeah, be careful when you guys spoof around the world. You know, if you're gonna go from Japan to America to Canada, you got to be like strategic about it, because if you do it too fast, Pokemon Go has a chance of banning your account if they notice that you're spoofing too fast. But the best thing about FGL Pro, compared to all the other spoofers, is as this one is the most anti-ban or bypass ban proof. So you have a very low risk of getting banned with this spoofer. I've used it a lot, and I've teleported in many places. I never got banned on multiple accounts. I have like 5 accounts with this FGL Pro. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download FGL Pro++. The easiest way to download it, not a very complicated way at all, and you're going to be able to go ahead and start spoofing. So let's get right into the video, guys. Before we can actually go ahead and download FGL Pro++, the best spoofer on Pokemon Go, we just got to go ahead and configure some settings on our devices to go ahead and make sure that our device is ready for the download. So go ahead and open up the settings on your iOS device. So as you can see here, we're in the settings, and what we're going to want to do now is just go ahead and scroll down until we find General. So as you can see, General is right there. Open it up. Once you're in General, you're going to want to look for Background App Refresh. So there it is right there, guys. Go ahead and tap on it. And you're going to see that it's right here. All you're going to want to do is just double check to make sure that you have it turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. If not, just go ahead and turn it on real quick. And then once you download FGL Pro++, you can actually go ahead and delete it from your... you can go ahead and turn it back off again. But yeah, we're going to have it on for the duration of this video. But yeah, also, what you're going to want to do is come back here to the search bar and type in battery. And go ahead and make sure that you have the low power mode off. So as you can see, I have it off, so we're good to go on that part. Now, these are the settings for the iOS device. Also, make sure you have at least 10% battery and you'll be good to go. So those are the settings for the iOS device. If you're on Android, though, it's pretty similar. All we're going to want to do now is open up settings on our Android device. And you're going to want to scroll down until you find the battery settings in settings. So here's battery. Tap on it. Once you're in battery, just go ahead and tap on battery saver. And make sure that you have this off, guys. So as you can see, I have battery saver turned off. Perfect. This can interfere with the download, so just go ahead and make sure you have that off. And also check that adaptive battery is off as well. If you don't see adaptive battery on your phone, then I guess you could just skip this step. But yeah, make sure you have 10% battery as well. So those are the settings that we have to make sure that we have on for our iOS and Android device. Now, once we've done all that, we're ready to go to continue. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download FGL Pro++. So open up your browser on your phone. And we're going to want to go ahead and type in this website. It's called smmsky.co, guys. So here we are on the website. So this is the tweaked app store that's fully web-based, so we're not going to have to download anything onto our phone. But it's pretty easy to go ahead and get started, guys. You're going to see the search bar here at the top. Just go ahead and type in Pokemon. And here we are, guys. Pokemon Go++. Oops. Pokemon Go++, Spoofer, and more for free. So all you're going to want to do once you see it is go ahead and tap on it. Then you're going to see the start injection button right there. Go ahead and tap on that. And now all we got to do is just simply wait for this to load, guys. Give it about 15 seconds. And then it's going to fully load up and take us to the final part of the download. In the meantime, while you wait for this to load, guys, give it about like 15 seconds more or so. But yeah, please leave a like on this video and subscribe with all notifications on. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah. So here we are, we're still waiting for this. Alright, so this is going to load up now and say the final part of the download. So it's going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of 2 free offers below to finish the download process. Now, I know it says 2 offers, but what I recommend you guys to actually do is complete each of the offers on the list. This will ensure that it fully downloads FGL Pro with all the working properties and it won't get revoked or anything like that. But to go ahead and get started is pretty simple. All we're going to want to do now is just go ahead and tap on one of the apps. Then it's going to show us some instructions, and all we got to do is just complete each of them on the list. Each of the apps on the list, and we're pretty much good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this first app. So as you guys can see, we're going to go ahead and open it up. And after we complete one of the apps, guys, all we're going to want to do is head back and do a second one and so forth until we complete every single app on the list, and then we're pretty much done, and then we will have FGL Pro++. So I'm going to go ahead and choose another app now. So go ahead and tap on it, read the instructions of it, and do exactly as it says once again. And after you guys completed all the apps on the list, you're pretty much done, and now you will have Pokemon Go++ or FGL Pro++, and now you can go and use the Spoofer for absolutely free. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.